Flippers, we up at the Goodwill, still trapping, baby. I can't make this up. 1 million ranking, $143. I'm paying $2 for this book, baby. Trap all day. Trap all day. Flippers, I'm up in the whip right now. I want y'all to take a look at this right here. That Star Wars book we picked up, it finally sold $149. With Amazon fees, I only made $119 off of that. They took like $29 FBA. But trap all day. We headed to Goodwill right now.
Hey, how you doing?
Good morning. Flippers, we just hit gold again, baby. 184,000 rank. Used, lowest FBA offer, $59. Trap all day. Alright, Flippers, we got a brand new book. Brand new fill, baby. Look at that, $34. Look at that rank too, 733,000. Trap all day. Hey, we killing the game, Flippers, peak game. Got a Tiger Woods book right here, 421,000 rank, $34 pre-owned, trap all day. Repeat this. Altered States of Conscious, edited by Charles T. Tart. Look at these prices, $179, $140. It's cause look here, Amazon, 1 million rank, $383 used. Let's go back here and see if this actually sold. Look at that. $100 for this book, baby. $70. 56. We just hit. Alright, Flippers, that book we picked up the other day, Altered States of Consciousness, just sold for $73 on Mercari. I could have got like $120 for this book, but I mean, $73, that's straight. For some reason, Amazon would let me sell it, so I'm just glad I was able to get it on Mercari. But $73 out of $1, baby. Trap all day. Be on the lookout for this book, though. It has to do with the book to read if you're doing anything with meditation, dope, hypnosis, dream subjective exploration, or any kind. Trap all day. 791 rank, used $54, brand new $230. Trap all day. We got fresh books, Flippers. Look at this, Flippers. This is a good find right here. Brand new 59, 95, 4,085 ranking, or 485,000 ranking. Look at that. No FBA offers for used. I can get like $40 out of this book. Trap all day, baby. $2. Flippers, the book guys are blessing us today, baby. Look at that. $52, 1 mil rank. Trap all day. This damn book jammed in the corner here. Got all the Dr. Seuss's in it. I know this gotta be worth some money. Must be missing the cover, or maybe it's just that old. flip this up. Look at this, baby. All the Dr. Seuss. This gotta be worth some money. Alright, flippers, I'm up in Goodwill. We just had a Macari sale. This Navara hat. Is that saying right? Navara? Yeah, Kurt Cobain hat. People just been writing me about this hat constantly. I was trying to sell it for $90, but some guy wrote me about it. Wanted me to do 50 for it. Well, he wanted me to do 40. I was about to offer him 50, then he wrote me. He said that he'll do 50. So, I mean, I guess he wanted it that bad. So I only paid $4 for it. So, and then as y'all can see, another person, what's the lowest you'll go? I told another person 60. They asked me the same thing, what's the lowest you'll go? So, Macari, I wouldn't really recommend it. It's not really like a business type site to sell on. It's mostly people getting rid of shit. So people not really expecting to pay high dollar for stuff, you know. Flippers, we just hit one of them finds that I love, baby. Look at that, 645,000, 100,000 rankings, 2 FBA offers, $30. Right here, baby. Trap all day. Look at this flipper, it's $19 for this little small ass book. Flippers, we still book flipping. I can't make it up. You already see it. $59, 1 mil, 700,000 rank. Trap all day, baby. $2. Man, I done pushed this motherfucker to the limit. I can't even lie about it. All right, flippers, Macari showing out. We had that Battle Masters. We just sold that for $61. We sold a little hen statue for $30. We sold this Frosty the Snowman inflatable. Like I told y'all, look out for them Gimme, G-E-M-M-Y inflatables. We sold that for $30. I could have got more for all of this stuff on eBay, but I mean, Macari, I don't really sell much on it. It doesn't really move as quick as eBay products, but I mean, it's an alternative for people that don't really like messing with eBay no more. But trap all day, baby. Let's get these to the post office.